Hey guys, K-Love Casino here. Netent came out with a new game called Beehive Bonanza. I really like playing Netent games, so I wanted to make a video testing out this game. I haven't played it, I think it just came out. We have $10 balance. We're gonna spend the lowest number to make sure we can get in a bonus. Beehive Bonanza. If you use K-Love as a welcome code, you're gonna get 5% rake back on every bet you make. So this will be really good when you start off. Every bet that you make, you're gonna get rake back. Beehive Bonanza. Increase your wins with adder and multiplier beehives. All right, let's see what we got. 10 cents, let's go. Hopefully we can get in within a oh, okay, so they got a little collector, beehive collector. Not bad. Oh my goodness, no way. We just got in 5 spins, I think. 5, 6 spins. Let's go. I was not expecting that. We won 10 spins. Okay, so I guess if we collect pots, we get to 2x, 3x, up to 5x. All right, let's see what happens here. All right, come on, man. All right, we got a collector here. Yeah, give us a little more. That's not enough. All right, drop more. All right. $0.60. Chump change. Oh, no, I'm not sure what this X is. Okay, so it multiplies and collects. Can we get another little pot? Money pot. Okay. Are we at 2x now, or do we need one more here? We need a collector, though. Oh, okay, come on, collector. No way. Wow. Okay, so we need one more pot, and we're in. Maybe it gives more spins as well. Nice, 2 spins. We need just a bunch of those little honey pots. Okay. Drop 2 here. 2 honey pots. Oh, there's one. All right, 80 cents. Okay. Oh, it doesn't collect because there's nothing to collect. Come on, one more honey pot, please. Ooh, let's go. Ooh, there's $6 there on a 10-cent bet. $6, not bad. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nice, super mega win. Okay, 2 more spins. Saved us at the end. I didn't notice 0 spins left. All right, we need honey pots. So it multiplies everything by 3. That's pretty tight. So times 5. Get a collector here. That would be nice. Oh. All right. Can we somehow manage 2 more honey pots here, though? Come on, baby. Collector, honeypot. Collector, honeypot. One more. Drop it. Oh my goodness. There we go. 9.13 on a 10-cent bet. That's a 91x for my first bonus. Let's do one more spin. Let's go, guys. 18.47, started with $10. Pretty fun game. I'm gonna be grinding this game a little bit. Beehive Bonanza Netent, new game. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you got a big win here. So far it says someone got 485x. Yeah. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, subscribe to the channel, and you can use code KLOVE for 5% rakeback on stake.com, stake.us. Thanks for chilling. We're out of here.